A short little bonus video for you. I found these bits of wood today and I made a little ledge for the birds. And I put a bird seed on it and fresh water every day. There's the bowls, two in the bags. I took bowls out of the bags here. There's the bird seed. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, myself. It's nice. There's some more in this one. And there's some more on the ground then. Because some of the birds can't get up and eat these birds. And see the box back there? I'm filling that with a lump of fat or sewage later on. Once mother makes it for us, probably. A little bench here, you can sit on this as well. I repainted it this morning. And there's the bike. Oh, there's the bike. Lovely bike. And one I took it to the garden there. Full of grass, look. See. Hey, there's.